Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you the way how to recover your recent deleted documents on a Google Sheet by iPhone. So the first thing you have to do is just go open your Google Sheet application, and now let's try to delete the documents. So here, to delete the document, you just need to go click these three small dots on the document that you want to delete. Pardon me, here, and after that you just need to scrolling down this functions right here, and you just need to find the remove button, go click it and confirm that you want to remove this from the bin. And after that, if you want to bring those documents back, you just need to go click these three straight lines, and after that you just need to visit the bin and your documents will be there, and it's also written when you deleted the documents. So whenever you want to recover the files back, you just need to go click these three small dots again, and after that there will be two options: details and activity and restore. To bring it back and get into your folder, go click restore, and let's check either this document is already back or not. So here we go, the document is already back. So that's the way, guys, how to recover the deleted documents on a Google Sheet by iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.